Today I'm going to show you how to make a secret base underwater. And so first dig a hole somewhere in the water. And let's see, dig. See, that's it. And make a little area through this where there's like one block destroyed under. And you might want to get some torches. You don't want mobs to spawn your base. And here, just dig a little area down here. And ooh, iron. You wanna dig a little area like this. And more stuff. There. And so this is gonna be your secret base. Maybe you could put your beds there. So when you wanna go back up, all you gotta do is swim back up. Also make sure it's like a natural spawning body of water, so it's not really obvious that your base is in the body of water. And whoops. So yeah, that's how you make a secret base. And so yeah, bye guys.